Hate being on camera? You know you should create videos for your business, but you really don't want to be on camera. If you're camera shy, then here are some tips on how to create videos without showing your face. Hi there, Pagan here. This video is for everyone who is camera shy. I'm going to give you some tips on how to create videos without showing your face. So we're going to go over what type of videos you can create without showing your face and how to make faceless videos. That sounds kind of gross, so we're going to say how to create videos without being on camera. Let's start with ideas for YouTube videos without showing your face. As always, I'm going to assume that you're making videos for your business. That could be your service-based business or your product-based business. If you're creating a personal brand, then creating videos without showing your face is a little bit difficult, but not really impossible. So with the business aspect in mind, you should create educational videos, tutorials on how to help your audience. Tutorials are actually an easy way to avoid being on camera. This is actually how I avoided being on camera when I first created videos. You can check out one of my first videos, how I use Asana for clients, in the description box down below and above. That was one of my first tutorial videos. I created that video so that my clients would know how to use Asana whenever we start our projects. You can also create a video to walk your clients through how to use your service or products. If you get a lot of frequently asked questions, you can create a tutorial answering those questions. Another video idea is to create a behind the scenes video or inside look video showcasing your services, your products, and or your lifestyle if you're creating a personal brand. You can give people an inside look at your work area or walk them through your life or what you do in your business. I'll explain how to do that without being on camera next. So how do I actually create videos without being on camera? There's actually two solutions. One is screen share and the other is B-roll footage. I told you that when I first started creating videos, they were no face videos, as in I didn't show my face on the videos. They were all tutorials where I showed my clients how to do something like how to create a secret Pinterest board and share it with me, or how to use a mock-up template. In all of these videos, I recorded my computer screen instead of showing my face. If you want to do the same thing, you can use QuickTime, Zoom, and Loom to record your computer screen. I actually created a video tutorial on how to use these tools if you need help. So you can get the links in the description box down below or in the cards above. Another way you can create videos without showing your face is by using B-roll footage. While you're talking, you can add images that pertain to what you're talking about. If you want to learn more about B-roll footage, then you can check out my other videos on that. They're in the description box down below or the cards above. While I was in school, I created a video called Women in Coding. In that video, I used B-roll footage and text animation instead of showing my face. If you're creating informative videos, then this is a great way to create videos without showing your face. If you want to create a behind the scenes video or an inside look video, then you can film it from your perspective. That means filming with your phone or your camera what you're actually doing. You can film your area or your activity from your perspective. For example, if you're writing in a planner, you can set up your camera like this, like with a tripod or some kind of stand, to focus on the writing inside the planner. If you're cooking, then you can film the chopping of the vegetables and the boiling of the water instead of you doing that, just that activity. It's basically filming everything that you see. You're still filming your life without filming your face. That's it. If you want to create videos for your business or your brand without showing your face, then all you have to do is create tutorial videos or informative videos. Remember to think about what your audience needs to see to learn from your videos. Creating videos without showing your face is a great way to dip your toes into creating videos. When you become more confident, you can gradually start showing your face on video. Showing your face on camera is important when you're building a personal brand and when you're trying to build a connection with your potential client. If you're ready to start gradually showing your face, then stay tuned to next week's video. If this video was helpful for you, be sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and share with your friends so that I know to create more videos like this. Does not showing your face on camera motivate you more to create videos? Let me know in the comments down below. Until next week, bye.